Hey everybody, welcome to another Rhaenyra Targaryen cosplay update. I've got a few cool, awesome things to tell you all today. I know it's been a hot sec since I've been doing updates, but right now I'm just kind of in the waiting room for getting a bunch of stuff shipped to me and finding out more information from research. But we are now completely fully funded through my Ko-fi goal for Rhaenyra. Thank you to everybody who donated. I can't wait to embroider your all's names into my costume. If you'd still like to donate to the Rhaenyra Fund and have me embroider your name into my costume, you may. The link is in my bio, but we are fully funded now for materials and everything for this cosplay. I can't thank you all enough. Seriously, I love doing these crowdfunding campaigns because I put you guys into the making with me. It's really fun. But anyways, I can show you some things that I have got in and what I've purchased, and also some exciting research details that I just found out like this morning. So just a reminder, this is the fabric we ended up going with for Rhaenyra. I ended up purchasing 7 yards of this because I will be doing a lot of pattern matching to go with for this gown. And so a lot more fabric is needed. So it ended up being a perfect amount. I hope it is on its way here from China. So I'll give you the update when it's here. Next thing I got in is one of the chain trims for her gown. I believe this is a screen accurate one too. So ended up getting this. I hope I got enough. I don't know if I did, but this is for the upper neck area, and I'm over the shoulders and maybe on the sleeves. I'm not sure, but it's this really cool fishbone chain in gold. If you are curious about links and where I'm getting everything and you'd like to follow along on this build a little bit more and maybe purchase some of the stuff that I'm getting, feel free to join my Discord. Link in the bio. We have a whole channel dedicated to this build. So if you are looking for it, or you want to make your own, or you just want to follow along, please join my Discord. We'd love to have you there. But in that channel is all these links of stuff that I'm buying. Here's one feature that I found this morning while Googling around. I'm trying to find a lot more definition pictures of this embroidery, the dragon embroidery in the middle of her gown. And I found this outline on Alicent's dress, I think from episode 1. Look at this. It's this one. So I believe this is the outline of the dragon embroidery on Rhaenyra's gown. So a lot of work has just been solved for me, thanks to Alicent. Who would have thunk? I do think like down here, it's a little different on Rhaenyra's dress, but the main outline of the embroidery is right here. Perfect. Here's a little side by side. I mean, it is shaped a tiny bit different and some different flares out to here, but mainly the dragon heads, this little floral piece up here, super similar. Huh. The next video update is probably going to be me starting to drape the gown. So we're going to get to the patterning and the muslin stage. This is getting exciting. I can't wait to start this dress.